Every summer, those who live in the dry West hold their collective breath and hope for a safe wildfire season. For those who enjoy mountain recreation, such as jeepers and off-road folks, fires can have a direct impact on our ability to enjoy the trails we love for years to come. When you live in dry grassland and forested areas, the sudden sign of a dark plume of smoke leaves you nervous. What's burning? How big is it? What will this day bring? This past summer found us facing just that sort of situation and those questions. We soon learned the incident was tagged the Washington Fire, as it started near Washington Street, the country end of Main Street, in our hometown of Sonora, California. Soon evacuations were ordered. Rest home's 55 residents quickly moved. Stop and go, mostly just stopped traffic, made going from one end of our little town to the other, normally a 5 or 8 minute drive, into a 45-minute ordeal. A wildfire is scary and takes on a life of its own. At this stage, you don't know if it will quickly be contained or end up one of those thousands and thousands of acre disasters we too often hear about. Well, after making the 45-minute drive across town to pick up our high schooler because buses were canceled, there was no use battling the traffic back toward home, so we headed to the county airport where the Columbia CAL FIRE Air Attack Base is to watch the action. So come along, see what we found. We are so thankful for the service that the fire folks are willing to give to our communities and state to help keep us safe. We haven't mentioned the U.S. Forest Service or the Sonora City Fire and other mutual aid groups who responded to this fire, since we're primarily focusing on CAL FIRE in this video. But thanks to the quick action of all, the black plume of smoke was reduced to a faint gray column within a couple of hours. In all, it was kept small, just 136 acres. And yet in that time, 15 families lost their homes, and there was at least one fatality. Suppression costs were about $1.5 million. According to their website, CAL FIRE's fleet of more than 60 fixed and rotary wing aircraft make it the largest civil aerial firefighting fleet in the world. CAL FIRE's world-renowned aviation program responds to thousands of wildland fires throughout California each year. CAL FIRE's current aviation fleet includes Grumman air tankers, Bell Super Huey helicopters, Sikorsky helicopters, and North American Bronco Air tactical aircraft. The CAL FIRE Columbia base are nice hosts. If you're in the area, they'd be glad to have you stop by. They're glad to have visitors come and watch the activities.
Hey everybody, this is Ariel the Jeep Dog. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there.